Lean manufacturing tools are lean manufacturing techniques. These techniques are used in the different manufacturing industries. Manufacturing industries like leather manufacturing, textile industries, apparel industries, electric equipment industries, food industries, and other different industries. These techniques are used. The purpose of these techniques is to improve the production and reduce the waste and also improve the quality. So before discussing this tool, we will discuss the short introduction about the lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is a production process that is based on ideology of improving the production and improving the quality, and the third element is reducing the waste. So today we will discuss one of them, that is tool overall equipment effectiveness. Overall equipment effectiveness. What is overall equipment effectiveness? Overall equipment effectiveness is a framework for measuring the productivity loss for a given manufacturing process. Three categories of loss are tracked. First is availability. How much available time? Let's suppose the time available in shift is 480 minutes. Available time in day is 1440 minutes. And how much downtime? And the second is performance continuity. It's running or either it is running on full capacity or not, or under capacity or slow cycles. Third is quality, either the units produced during the shift or unit produced in the day, or how much units have been rejected and how much units are good. So these are the three elements that are considered in the overall equipment effectiveness. Availability of machine, availability of instrument, and performance of instrument, either utilized full capacity or under capacity. And the third is quality, how much quality categorized, you can say intensity of quality or number of rejections, how much rejections have been done in a shift or in a day. So how does overall equipment effectiveness help? It provides the benchmark, baseline, and a means to track progress in eliminating waste from manufacturing process. 100% overall equipment effectiveness means the perfection or the perfect production has been done. Manufacturing only good parts as fast as possible with no downtime. So you can say in the shift, if 480 minutes are available and the total capacity is 400 units. If the total production per shift is 400 units, you can say overall equipment effectiveness is 100%. If the units produced are 300, you can say overall equipment effectiveness is 75%. So same way, good parts and bad parts, and our calculation is made how much percentage is good parts and how much percentage of bad parts have been produced during the shift or during the day. Overall equipment effectiveness is the measure used within the TPM, total productive management or total productive maintenance, a composite measure of overall availability, performance, and quality. It measures productivity, time, overall equipment effectiveness can be calculated by multiplying the following three factors. These three factors are defined as follow. Availability. Availability means runtime divided by total time or total planned production time. If runtime is 480 minute and total time per shift is 480 minute, it means availability is 100%. In the same way, performance is ideal cycle time or stoppage or slow down time. You can say idle cycle time multiplied by total counts divided by the runtime. So by this mean we can check its performance, number of idle times, 4 time machine stopped or 4 time machine slow down, that is divided by number of counts 4, and how much time, 20 minute 20 multiplied by 4, 4 times done, it means 80 minute machine slow time, yeah, idle time, and divided by total shift time. So by this we can measure the performance. Good further is the third element, quality. Quality is good count divided by total count. Either total, you can say good counts are 100 and total counts are also 100. It means 100% quality. If good counts are 80 and total counts are 100, you can say it will be 80% A category and 20% B category or rejection. That is not acceptable, or that rejections will lead to minimizing the profit or losses. So I think by this video, by this lecture, the concept about the tool, overall equipment effectiveness that is being used in lean manufacturing would be very clear. Hopefully we will see you in next lecture with another lean manufacturing tools